Imagine a world where artificial intelligence can generate a new Shakespeare play, write an award-winning TV show, or even produce a chart-topping hit song. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? Well, believe it or not, we're already there. GPT-3, an AI model from OpenAI, has the ability to produce human-like text that's virtually indistinguishable from something a person might write. It's a testament to the incredible leaps and bounds we've made in the field of artificial intelligence. Now take a step back and think about how humans communicate. We use a complex combination of verbal cues, body language, tone of voice, and context to convey our thoughts and feelings. We're capable of understanding sarcasm, metaphor, and irony, and we can adjust our communication style depending on who we're talking to and what the situation requires. It's a deeply ingrained skill that we often take for granted. But how does AI communication compare? At first glance, it may seem like AI has a long way to go before it can match the complexity of human communication. After all, it's one thing to generate text that sounds human-like, but it's another thing entirely to understand the nuances of human conversation. Nevertheless, AI has made significant strides in this area. AI communicates in a fundamentally different way than humans. It doesn't have feelings or emotions, and it doesn't understand context in the same way we do. Instead, it uses algorithms and data to generate responses. However, as AI continues to evolve, it's becoming increasingly adept at mimicking human communication. It can generate text that's not only grammatically correct, but also contextually appropriate and engaging. But what does the future hold for AI communication? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing seems certain. AI is going to become an increasingly integral part of our lives. We're likely to see AI become more sophisticated and nuanced in its communication, with the ability to understand and respond to a wider range of human emotions and contexts. Moreover, we may see the rise of AI agents that can communicate with each other and accomplish tasks together. Imagine a team of AI agents working together to solve a complex problem, each bringing its own unique skills and abilities to the table. It's a fascinating prospect, and one that could have far-reaching implications for every aspect of our society, from business and technology to art and culture. In conclusion, while AI may never truly replicate the complexity of human communication, it's clear that it's making significant strides in this direction. The future of AI communication is bright, and it's something that we should all be excited about. After all, who knows what the AI of tomorrow might be capable of?